Experience a delightful twist on a classic dessert with our fudge stripe cookie recipe. Into the mixing bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup of buttermilk and 1 package of instant French vanilla pudding mix. We're going to whisk these together until combined. Now we're going to add in 8 ounces of whipped topping and 15 ounces of mandarin oranges. We're going to gently fold these 4 ingredients together. Now we're going to add in 1 cup of fudge stripe cookies that have been chopped up. And serve immediately.